The Two Travelers and the Storm. On a quiet autumn afternoon, two friends, Amir and Farad, began their journey to a nearby village. The air was cool, and the leaves danced in the wind. They laughed, talked, and enjoyed the peaceful countryside. Halfway through their walk, dark clouds gathered overhead. A cold wind swept across the fields. Amir looked up and said, "I think a storm is coming. We should hurry." But Farad smiled and replied, "Don't worry, it will pass." Within minutes, heavy rain began to fall, and the path turned slippery. The friends spotted an abandoned hut by the side of the road. They rushed inside and found a broken chair, a dusty table, and a small window. Through the window, they watched the storm rage outside. The trees swayed violently, and lightning flashed across the sky. As they waited, Amir said, "You know, life is like this storm. Sometimes trouble comes quickly, and you can't avoid it. But if you find shelter and stay patient, it will pass." Farad nodded, now realizing his friend was right. When the rain stopped, they stepped outside. The sky was clear again, and the fresh smell of wet earth filled the air. The journey continued, but this time they walked more carefully and a little wiser.